Welcome to our program on tax efficiency strategies for individuals. In today's complex financial landscape, understanding how to maximize tax efficiency is paramount for individuals seeking to preserve and grow their wealth. Taxes can be daunting, but with the right strategies, you can keep more of your money. Start with retirement contributions. Maximize your 401k or IRA to reduce taxable income. Explore deductions. Itemize for greater savings on expenses like mortgage interest or medical costs. Utilize tax credits, earned income, tax credit, child tax credit, and education credits can lower your tax bill or even result in a refund. Take advantage of tax-advantaged healthcare accounts. HSAs and FSAs help save on medical expenses while lowering taxable income. Stay informed on tax laws. Changes may offer new savings opportunities. By maximizing contributions, leveraging deductions and credits, and staying informed, you can reduce your tax burden and work towards financial freedom. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards tax efficiency.